How to recover your Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser. This is a last resort if you have lost access to both your phone number and your recovery email, so just watch carefully. Now, once you are on your web browser, search for Google Help, and this link will pop up, support.google.com. You just want to tap on it. And from here, in order to recover your Gmail account, since your Gmail is tied with your Google account, you first need to recover your Google account. So just tap on Google account. And from here, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see an option to post to the community help. And once you do that, if you scroll a bit down, you can post a question. And here you will enter a short description and a title saying account recovery. Once you do this, I've written a short form message right here. I can't open my Gmail because I forgot my Google account's password. I no longer have access to its recovery email and phone number. Please help me recover my Google account's password and get back my email. So once you do that, if you scroll down, you also have an option to post screenshots if that might be helpful. And after that, you can just tap on category and select a category that is account access and recovery. And tap on next. And from here, you just choose account recovery and tap on next. After that, you just scroll down, and the next step, you will have to select your platform. I'm right now using a Android device, so I'm just going to tap on Android. Tap on next. It will ask you for your display name. You can edit it if you want or leave it as it is. Then tap on post. And it will take a while, but once this is posted to the Google Help community, you will be notified if someone has replied to your problem, and you'll get an email. So once you do this, you will get a reply notification on your email after you've done that. And that's how you can recover your Google account without phone number and recovery email. You just have to wait for Google representative to reply to your post. Thank you for watching.